Hey guys. All right, you've RSVP'd to one of my Chalk and Talks. What's next? Well, nothing really until the day of the party, unless you want to decide what you want to make ahead of time. If you do want to decide what you want to make ahead of time, go ahead and peruse all my pictures, shoot me a message, let me know what it is you're looking for, and we will try to get you hooked up beforehand. Otherwise, you come to the Chalk and Talk. You choose what you want to make, and I highly suggest that you go through the stencils to decide what you want to make before you decide on what surface you purchase, because your stencil, the design you choose will determine what size of surface you use. I do not have multiple stencils in multiple sizes, i.e., like I don't have this less house, more home stencil in multiple sizes. It's one size. That's it. So you'll come to the Chalk and Talk. So you RSVP, right? You come to the Chalk and Talk. You look through all my stencils. Oh my gosh, I have thousands of them, it feels like. You decide what you're going to make. After you decide what you're going to make, you choose your colors. The chalk paste, it's a washable chalk paste. No, it's not chalk like you're doing a chalk art on a chalkboard. It's totally different from that. I know I've had a couple people who are like, I didn't know what it was. Look through my videos. I have all kinds of videos out there that show you exactly what a Chalk and Talk or what chalking is. So let me know if you have any questions on that. So you RSVP, you show up at the Chalk and Talk, you choose your stencil, you choose your colors, you choose your surface. Then you get to chalking, and I will do a demo during the Chalk and Talk. So I hope this helps kind of put into... I can't even think of words right now. I hope this helps you in making your decision to come to a Chalk and Talk, and it makes it a little bit easier to understand what it is we're doing. All right, thanks guys.